in the summer, actually all year round, you could cook an egg on my forehead.
Hi guys, it's Kim from Crash Test Beauties. There's no denying that the sun has shown no mercy on us this summer. We're talking sweat stashes, oily T-zones, eyebrows melting off, you name it. We just want to look cute. Summer brings fun, but it also wreaks havoc on our beauty routines. So in this week's Crash Test Beauties, we're going to be trying a few different products and techniques to see if we can get our makeup to stay just as fierce as the sun is.
My favorite thing about summer is Leo season because my birthday is right in the middle of it, July 30th. I'm super psyched.
Summer is my favorite. It's the time when you can go on trips and get nice and bronzed and beautiful. So just laying at the beach is my absolute favorite thing.
My skin in the sun, I'm a constant sweater, and so no matter what, no matter how cold it is, I'm always sweating. And so my makeup by the end of the day disintegrates off of my face.
My skin melts off, just the sweat will just pour and pour and pour down my body. In the summer, I usually try to go very minimalistic in the makeup world because it will just...
When it's summer and I'm in the heat, my skin gets really oily. I try to wear less makeup so that when it deteriorates, it's less of a dramatic difference from full beat to no makeup at the end of the day.
I usually stick to tinted moisturizers. I get very fearful of foundation. It's just very scary to me, the word.
I've tried all those 24-hour, 12-hour long wear foundations, but for me they just really do not work, and I think that's just because of my skin below it. It's not the actual foundation.
So when I get sweaty, it's around the hairline because I have a little bit of a fro, so heat really collects up there. So my makeup will start deteriorating around this area.
My makeup definitely starts deteriorating in the T-zone. It's just oil city. I would love to have a foundation that stayed on my face like it's supposed to.
I've tried mattifying primers and setting sprays and setting powders, but I always find that no matter what, I still get oily throughout the day and my makeup is gone. So if I could find something that would help that, then that'd be amazing, because so far I haven't found anything.
Today, the three of us are going to be testing some new products and some new techniques to see if they withstand the heat, because we are going to do some fun activities to test out our makeup and see if it lasts all day. So we're gonna be doing yoga.
We're gonna hang out by the pool
and have a backyard barbecue.
Yay! The technique that I'm gonna be doing today is to be preventing oil in my T-zone. So I'm gonna be buffing this product in with a brush.
The technique that I'm doing today to prevent oil and sweat throughout the day is to not use a primer and to instead use this Murad Oil Control Mattifier SPF 15 moisturizer.
So the trick I'm using today to stop my skin from getting super oily is to actually do a little switcheroo and use the Mercier setting powder first and then going with my foundation after. Today, all three of us are going to be using the Cargo Swimmables Longwear Foundation, and it's actually supposed to be a water-resistant foundation and stay put, rain or shine.
It smells so good. So good, I want to eat it.
The foundation is really thick, but it's actually blending out.
And then now we're going to be going in with the Cargo Cosmetics Swimmables Water Resistant Bronzer.
I'm also going to be applying the blush.
So we're just gonna finish up our makeup now, and then we're gonna head out into the sun and do our different activities and see what happens with our makeup.
And first we're doing yoga, woo!
Here's our backyard barbecue. Last but not least, pool party! So I think that the foundation actually really worked today. I think the moisturizer was a nice primer, but all in all, the foundation is what seriously did the job, because I noticed that since it is the water resistant formula, my sweat was like wicking off of my face, and even when I would blot, nothing would come off on the blotting paper at all. And I did wipe my lip a little bit, so that's the only place where makeup did come off, but besides that, I feel like it totally like stuck on my face, and compared to other days, my makeup would never look like this at the end of the day.
My makeup did not budge. I mean, all throughout the day, everyone was saying that my makeup looked like I just put it on, and my makeup should have disappeared, but it's still on my face. And I think a lot of it has to do with the foundation, if I'm honest, but I don't think setting with the powder underneath hurt anything. I think that actually helped the whole thing stay on.
Overall, I think my makeup stayed on perfectly. I mean, I jumped in a pool and my face still has my makeup on, so that's pretty crazy. Overall, I'm like super happy. And I definitely think that the Hourglass primer really helped with the shine and the oil on my forehead. So that's definitely a technique that I'm going to be using moving forward.
Comment down below if you have any tips or tricks to keep your makeup sweat-proof during the summer. Thank you guys so much for watching.